Okay, lamb chops. Here we go.
You want to clean them in lemon and vinegar to get them clean. It has a gamey taste, so you want to kind of get that taste out of there. You're going to use some black pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and some thyme. I'm using fresh thyme because I can't find my dry thyme. Preheat your oven to like 350 to 380. I have it on 350 because I want to cook it a little slower. I have a teaspoon, and then I have a half a teaspoon, and I'm gonna use that for my measurements. I'm gonna start off with a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. Actually, I want more seasoned salt, so another half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle some oregano till I feel like stopping. I'm gonna do the same with the garlic powder. Got like almost a teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder is kind of strong and I don't want that much of it. Last but not least, I'm going to throw my fresh thyme leaves in there. Bam! I'm going to use some butter to brown it. So let them brown a little bit on each side before you put them in the oven. These are very thin, so don't let them brown too long. Just enough to get them brown, but they're not really cooked. So while my lamb is cooking, I'm boiling some potatoes. I got some fresh green beans, and I'm just going to boil them in some butter. And I'm going to show y'all a trick that my husband's grandmother taught me with the green beans. So my husband likes his potatoes whipped, so I get a mixer, whip them. So I had this idea, what if I whip a little bit of applewood smoked Gouda in it? That's gonna be good. Okay, the potatoes are ready. I'm gonna use probably almost all of this butter, and I'm going to use some salt and this smoked applewood Gouda that I shredded. I'm also gonna need some milk, but I still got some heavy whipping cream left, and I ain't got nothing else to use this for, so I use this for the mashed potatoes. Okay, I'm going to take my mixer and whip it. Really make whipped potatoes for people who ain't got no teeth. I'm just playing. The green beans have been boiled in just butter. I'm going to pour some of this off and then season it. That way I don't have to keep pouring all my seasoning into water. And looks like my lamb is ready. Okay, I'm gonna use some salt and some Italian seasoning for the green beans. I really don't want to do the most. I mean, they're vegetables. So I don't want to put no meat in it. That's just doing too much. So, yeah. Okay, babe, gonna tell me how it tastes.
Oh, good.
Can you taste the mashed potatoes? Oh, I want to see if the applewood thing worked. Why are you picking it up with your hands? Yay! People should always look for new, exciting and cool things to do. Don't let situations hold you down, just realize so many things